What up, y'all?
Where is Gary?
I'm not sure.
Nefarious forces ahead.
What up, y'all? Domingo the Don back with another video, man. Don the Don's here, you know. We gotta see if they destroyed the archives, as you heard what Ratchet just said.
Let Miss Zircon make you a deal.
What is this?
Shields are boring. It is one of the facts of life. But what if a shield could shoot back?
That would be useful.
Yes?
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Oh, hey. Alright,
The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got bone goons?
Bone goons. Of course we do.
Is it just me, or are these guys creepy?
are they fighting each other?
Is it just me, or are these guys creepy?
Incredibly disturbing.
Big, what y'all doing? I got fully matched weapons, bro. Look at game, look at game, look at my game, look at my game, look at my game, look at my game. That's how we do it.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. That rift will take us inside. Come on. Oh no.
Rivet, the dimensional map's gone.
The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Oh yeah, I still remember she was the cause of Rift's arm.
Based on
Hold
the
up.
structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level. Let's hope the maps support.
She got armor too, look at that. We doing this just for what's her face? My son. Okay, we matching what kid? Girl power, let's go.
How did you get here?
Your security is terrible.
Flagship, progress report.
Oh, your greatness. Apologies. The army of undead has hampered our progress.
I knew overusing that Dimensionator would cause problems.
Problems? Never. This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket, right?
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of Lance and Janice.
Yeah, I timed that shit perfect.
Those
I hit it
portals
before
are
they get to that
useless.
spot. I aimed
The
at.
map is all we
Precision,
need.
man.
The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's
I got a
helmet?
message, my fault.
Nothing useful.
has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
You made a big mistake.
You're not a threat no more, bro.
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Look at that, look at that.
Never. For the Emperor.
I'm not scared of you no more, bro. Oh shit.
Prepare for the Emperor's glorious embrace. I will crush
Oh
for your
shit.
defiance.
Look at Gang. Look at them killing him, bro. Look at that. Y'all see that? Can't mess with my game, bro. That's it. He's a unit.
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Oh, it's you! I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet.
Good news and bad news.
Look at Ratchet. Look badass, man.
Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks.
There goes another journey.
One of the pressure plates.
I think it's turning on. Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
Getting off the ship. Let's go, Gary.
Oh,
Meet you
if
guys
I
in the
had
catacombs.
nightmares, bone goons would make a regular appearance.
I said got this shit, man. Don't judge a book by the cover, y'all. I said I didn't want to get into that powers and shit. This shit is really useful. Imagine you upgrade it.
That's another turned on. Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Only one remaining.
Thought you said this was the way out. It appears to be the lower engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Would it have killed Nefarious to make the neon exit sign?
Man, he is on my ass. I ain't even mad. I didn't even look at my spoon. I was looking at my house.
Thought you said this was the way out. It appears to
I need gang. Gang.
Or engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Would it have killed Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign?
We did it! Catacombs, here we come! Never thought I'd say that.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh? All right, let's get down into the catacombs. Whoa, is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is.
Huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Oh, shit.
Gary, Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snaggle beast.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of...
The goo! Right.
Oh shit! I gotta slow down. Good. Oh my God. Oh, I'm going through a loop. My fault. I thought that was like a bonus area I was going into.
Come on, almost there. Excuse us.
Woo!
Just drive through them, Ratchet.
I seen that drift, right? When it's about family, we don't fuck around over here, bro. Oh!
We made it.
Hey, it's the monks.
We found the rift to their dimension and came to seal it. If you hold them off.
We're on it.
Oh! It ain't no fear. Gang is here.
Holy.
You said it, pal.
He just cursed. What the hell?
We gotta keep them away
All right, Clank.
from the monks.
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist.
Gang, go!
You're right. The clicking is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me.
Oh, baby. Hold on.
Injury going forward.
Light him up, 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 light him up. Oh! Light him up, light him up, light him up, boy. Come on, come on. Woo!
Can't let the bone
That's how we do
stop
it.
the monks. Okay, back to being undead.
And
The rift is closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, boss. We'll meet you down there. We did.
I bet you it's gonna be the hardest one now.
Do not worry, Clank. You have done this before. And now you are talking in the second person like Ratchet does when he is stressed. Oh my. Oh, no matter. Just take things one step at a time like Gary said. Fix the anomaly, then grab the dimensional map. A good way to weigh things down. Why am I so nervous about this anomaly? Because the dimensions are close to completely collapsing and ending all life as I know it. Yes, that is a perfectly valid reason to be nervous. I know they are not real, but I feel like I should thank my possibilities for helping me learn about dimensionality. Thank you. Clanks?
hold up, bro. I knew this shit's gonna happen. I'm sorry, y'all. You know I gotta shit like this. Alright, that's the. Oh, this shit. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Boom. I'm getting this shit done. Not as hard as I thought it is. I just don't be paying attention.
This knowledge, I feel like I am finally close to understanding everything and knowing how to save the dimensions.
I just said that, Clank. We on the same page. But hold on. This look kind of crazy, bro. Where the fuck is the orbs?
Hey. Hiding the dimensional map in an anomaly is quite ingenious. Well done, Gary.
Hope y'all day's going good, man. I don't know. I just wanted to say something. You know, it's a little too quiet. You know, and you know it's serious. I'm just quiet.
Full speed ahead.
Oh!
Oh, this is a heavy one.
Okay, the speed could come from.
If the Emperor gets a hold of the dimensional map, he could spread his terror wherever he pleased. He could take over.
Damn, my food is almost here.
everything.
They gonna call me and then my video gonna cut off. Hurry up, go.
Oh, thank goodness.
Of course, it's gonna be another one.
This may be it. The final puzzle. The knowledge is tickling the back of my mind.
Hell yeah, my dread just tingling myself, bro. All right, hold on, y'all. I think my food's about to. They about to call my phone, so I'm gonna call. You know what I'm about to say. I'll be back. All right, go. Sorry, y'all. Long story short, the clip that I had. Remember when I said I looked back at it. I saw that said I'm gonna be back. The food is coming, some shit, whatever.
Electric.
I guess I made the clip, but I never saved it to my new phone. This is a new phone I'm using right now. So I guess I never send it to this phone. So right now I'm just doing like, I was gonna do a voiceover, but I'm like, let me just talk to you guys. So yeah, like if you can see right now, I'm just trying to, it's the final stage of this, whatever the shit was. I forgot what it was exactly, but the little puzzle shit with clank. And I remember this day, I was tight as hell. Like, this was irking me. Pretty sure, because I think
this is where Ratchet would tell himself to take a deep breath. I must keep in mind that
yeah,
this far,
this is the puzzle shit. This is the last puzzle.
Speaking,
like I said, I just forgot the footage. I lost it, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just talking to you guys. Instead of doing the voiceover, like I'm just actually looking at the gameplay and shit. And yeah, this shit is making my brain crazy. I could tell. I know back then I was like. I knew I was tight when I seen that just happened. I had to be tight. That just got me a little tight right there. Right? Oh yeah, now I'm looking through my what you call it? You know when you go at your old recording, I'm looking through my TV, so I'm like, I'm gonna get some pop-ups and shit. You hear that little notification sound. Alright.
Accomplished a great deal since arriving in this dimension. I will
There's too much
continue to
shit
do so.
going on, bro.
This anomaly will not stop me.
Yeah, this is insane. This is chaotic. I would not want to revisit this shit. Thank God I had the footage. I thought I lost the footage from the game. I thought I lost the gameplay footage too. Don't mind the mess. I thought I lost the gameplay footage too. I would have been sick if I had to do this all over again. But this looks like madness right now. So in the meantime, guys, since I got you guys here, like these past 2 days, like I said, I had all the recordings on my phone, but I just never edited them, never put it together. So these last 2 days, I put out like 7 or 8 videos of like content for this Let's Play series. In 2 days, I was just grinding, yo. I'm like, yo, I gotta put out these videos, 'cause I want to play more games, bro. You know, and then I know, like, for my fans that like are probably waiting for me to drop, it's like, I want to be relevant. All I'm doing is letting time pass by. Like, and I love playing. Y'all know I love playing games. You know I love doing this shit.
I can do this. I will do this.
Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's when I miss this. Like, I just really miss it. It's so much fun. You know? And I can make this into my career. You know I'm gonna get emotional, but you know if I can make this into like a little career, man, shit would mean everything to me, you know? But yeah. This is crazy. You know what I'm gonna do? This is a lot. I'm gonna just fast forward everything. I'm gonna fast forward to me like completing this, because this is gonna take a while. I remember this, so I'll be right back, alright, y'all.
I know how to stop the cataclysm.
Now we about to go
and
inside the portal. That was gonna take too long. I ain't wanna bore y'all. I ain't gonna start talking on my ass.
Things are finally going our way. Ratchet, I
did it! Hooray!
Now hand it here
shit.
so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4.
Don't worry! I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories in Sword.
Come on, kid. We gotta. Run. Run! This is our last chance to stop him! Sorry.
Let's put.
No. You.
I don't know what she just tripped over.
It was you.
What are you doing here?
Like I said, y'all, I seen this already. Like, so I can't have the reaction I had back then. But you know what just happened? Remember, she was the one who caused her arm to break and shit. So I was like, whoa, you know. Promise y'all, next videos, this is me. That was when I was actually playing it, so you're gonna have a better reaction. I'm gonna have a better reaction, you know. This is recurring right now. This is how I am now. This is like months, like 2 months, a month later after I beat the game. That's so bad that I said months. Like, it shouldn't be like that. I should be saying days. Like, I've been slacking, yeah, I know.
Hey, Zordoom. Been a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here. The processing center should be just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys.
Alright, y'all. We gonna stop here. We gotta find Ratchet and Clank, obviously. They got sucked into this dimension and shit, so next video is gonna be me, organic reactions, because I was not actually playing it, so Good seeing y'all. Feels good holding this camera again. Love y'all so much, man. Like.